What if I told you that building wealth isn't about having a six-figure salary, winning the lottery, or being born into a rich family? Most people believe that the secret to becoming wealthy is simply making more money. But if that were true, every high-income earner would be rich. The reality is very different. Many people earning hundreds of thousands of dollars every year still live paycheck to paycheck, while others with average incomes quietly build financial freedom. The difference isn't luck, it isn't talent, and it certainly isn't magic. It's understanding a simple wealth formula that almost nobody teaches in school. Once you understand this formula and apply it consistently, your financial future can change forever. Today, we're going to break down the wealth formula that separates ordinary earners from people who build lasting wealth. The first part of the formula is earning. You can't build wealth without income. But here's the mistake most people make. They spend all their energy trying to increase income while ignoring everything else. Yes, earning more is helpful, but income alone doesn't create wealth. Think about professional athletes or celebrities who earn millions and still go bankrupt. A high income only gives you the opportunity to become wealthy. What you do with that income determines whether you actually will. The second part is spending less than you earn. This sounds simple, but it's where most people fail. Every raise becomes an excuse to buy a better car, a larger house, or more expensive gadgets. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly destroys wealth. Wealth isn't measured by how much money comes into your bank account. It's measured by how much stays there. Every dollar you don't spend becomes a worker that can help build your future. The gap between your income and your expenses is where wealth begins. The third part of the formula is investing consistently. Saving money is important, but savings alone rarely create financial freedom because inflation slowly reduces its purchasing power. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Whether it's index funds, retirement accounts, businesses, or real estate, investments give your money the opportunity to earn more money. This is where the real magic starts. Every dollar you invest becomes an employee working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without asking for a salary. The fourth part is time. Time is the most powerful ingredient in the wealth formula because it allows compound growth to do the heavy lifting. Imagine two people. One starts investing a small amount every month at age 25, while the other waits until 35 but invests twice as much. In many cases, the person who started earlier still ends up with more money because time matters more than the amount invested. The longer your investments grow, the faster they begin to multiply. That's why wealthy people start as early as possible. They know they can never buy back lost time. The fifth part is continuous learning. Financial education doesn't end after reading one book or watching one video. The world changes, markets change, and opportunities change. Wealthy people constantly improve their knowledge about investing, taxes, business, negotiation, and personal finance. Every new skill increases their ability to earn, save, or invest more effectively. Your greatest investment may not be the stock market. It may be investing in yourself. Another important part of the wealth formula is avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is harmful, but high-interest consumer debt is one of the fastest ways to destroy your financial future. Credit card balances, unnecessary loans, and impulse purchases create monthly payments that steal money from your future investments. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been growing for you instead. Before trying to build wealth, make sure you're not constantly digging yourself deeper into financial holes. The next step is creating multiple income streams. Relying on only one paycheck is risky because your entire financial life depends on a single source. Wealthy people often have income from investments, businesses, rental properties, digital products, or other assets. You don't need to build everything overnight. Start with one additional source and let it grow. Over time, multiple streams of income create stability and accelerate wealth building. Patience is another ingredient that most people underestimate. Social media makes success look instant, but real wealth is usually built slowly. There will be months when your investments barely move and years when progress feels frustratingly slow. Many people quit because they expect overnight results. Wealthy people understand that consistency beats excitement. They stay focused on the long-term goal instead of chasing quick wins or risky shortcuts. Perhaps the biggest lesson of all is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket or grow in value over time. Liabilities take money out of your pocket through maintenance, interest, or ongoing expenses. Financially successful people use their income to buy assets first. As those assets grow, they generate more income, which buys even more assets. This creates a powerful cycle that becomes stronger every year. Meanwhile, many people spend all their income on liabilities, leaving nothing behind that can create future wealth. When you combine these ideas together, the wealth formula becomes surprisingly simple. Earn more whenever possible. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference consistently. Give your investments time to grow. Keep learning new financial skills. Avoid expensive debt. Build multiple income streams. Buy assets instead of liabilities. Repeat this process year after year. It may not sound exciting, but simple habits practiced consistently have created millions of financially successful people around the world. The good news is that you don't need to be perfect to make this formula work. You don't need a huge salary, perfect timing, or special connections. You simply need to start where you are and stay consistent. Every small financial decision you make today shapes the life you'll live tomorrow. The earlier you begin, the greater the reward. Remember, wealth isn't created by one big decision. It's built through thousands of smart choices repeated over many years. The wealth formula nobody teaches isn't hidden because it's complicated. It's hidden because most people ignore it. They chase shortcuts instead of building systems. But now you know the formula. The only question left is whether you'll apply it. Your future wealth starts with the next financial decision you make today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about investing, money, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.